Alright guys, we're going to try something. So I just got all of these locks from AJ Clark, and without looking, there's no way you can see, but I'm going to close my eyes. You'll have to trust me on that. We're going to just kind of feel around and choose a lock. Let's see what we have. Only Pins by Fast Charlie. Fantastic. Fast Charlie makes tricky locks. Alright, it works. Let's see, like a wiser or quick set key maybe. Does not say here, but something like that. It's a pretty wide open keyway, so that should help. Let's put it in the vise, and with a keyway like this, the quick set, wiser, defiant, a lot of different variations on this. I like to use a thick Z wrench, put it right there. That allows me to completely control the core, and it's pretty wide open, so I'll just use a normal hook and 25 thousandths. Let's try counterclockwise. Let's see what we have here. Only Pins by Fast Charlie. Does that mean there are no springs? What does that mean? That is crunchy. Okay, I think I said that. Kind of a tough time getting in. I think it's 4. Sorry, let me move my hand so you can see. So, normally I like to practice on locks before I try to film them, but this one we're just going to see what happens. I'm going to try for 5 minutes going counterclockwise. And if I feel like I'm close, I'll go a little bit longer, and if I don't feel like I've made any progress, I'll switch and go clockwise. We're in a false set, so we're making progress, which is nice. I've had some Fast Charlie locks that I was able to open. Ooh, that's a pretty good false set in a reasonable amount of time, and other ones that I had to send on to someone else because I wasn't getting anywhere. Can we counter? There we go. Woohoo! I've had quite a few Fast Charlie locks. I think that's the fastest I've ever opened one, so luck is probably on my side tonight. Okay, put it right there. Circle the mover. I wasn't sure what lock I'd open, so like I have a whole lot of things just in case it was some kind of weird lock that I needed to take apart. Alright, and for this lock, I'm going to use my watermelon tray made by Bobby Keys, excuse me. So it's round, so it does not matter what shape of follower I choose, so I'll choose my favorite. And it's at least kind of like a quick set, so I'm going to want to use a shim, because you never know if their cores are solid or not. Some lock brands you can be pretty certain that their cores are solid and you don't need to use a shim if you don't want to, but quick set, wiser, things like that, it's generally just safer to shim. Okay, let's put the shim in there. So our key pins are going to be coming out like that. There we go. 5-pin lock. I'm not seeing any modifications, but we'll take a closer look in a second. Serrations on one. serrations on 2, possibly a narrowed diameter. Torpedo in 3, normal in 4, it was a short one, so, and serrations in 5. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything here. Maybe that's what this meant, there were no modifications. So, put that there. Look upstairs, remove our shim, grab our tweezers. Number 1. Beautiful serrated steel spring. Uh, 2 is a serrated mushroom pin, I think I'd call that. I'll show you a close-up of that in a second, but that was an interesting looking pin. So far the springs are the same in 1 and 3, but 2 is different. Nice homemade spool in 5. Same spring as in 1 and 3. I bet 4 will have the same spring as number 2. Let's see if I'm right. Yep. Maybe not. Looks similar, but no modifications up here. All right, let's take a look at these. So, for key pins, very sharp serrations on 1. Some slightly wider serrations, and then the top is a little bit reduced. You have a torpedo in 4, or in 3. 4 is just a little guy, so nothing there. Serrated in 5. Beautiful work, Fast Charlie. Look how fine those serrations are. This is probably where I was getting all those crunches. That is beautiful. Beautiful serrated pin. And this is the one that's like a serrated mushroom. That's really cool. I've never seen one like that before. Another kind of mushroom pin. Pretty shallow. Hourglass something or other. And finally, just a pretty nice pool. The springs, we have 1, 3, and 5 are the same. I think 2 and 4 are not the same. But anyway, all similar springs, even though they weren't the same, they're all pretty similar. Whoop. Alright. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I just noticed, before I was filming this video, actually, that I am now at 200 subscribers, so I'll be looking for an announcement video for that, probably next, maybe not, either next video or the one after. I'm not quite sure yet. I have a pretty good idea about what I want to put into it, but I don't have everything ready yet, so I'll continue to assemble it and get it all ready, and I'll be announcing that probably pretty shortly. So, alright, if you have any questions, leave them below. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.